Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the equal instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. I already opened my S7-300 software schematic manager, and here we will create the small program with the help of counter to use the compare instruction. First we will go in the bit logic section, and here we will take one input address. I will take first input address of my PLC 124.0. This is my first input address. I have to place first I. If I not put the I, so next row we will use the one counter for check our compare instruction. We will use to the counter section here timers. This is the counter section, and here we will take this first one SCUD counter, and here we will give the name. An example C0 I will give, sorry, this C0. Click enter, and here we will give the signal at. This is for counting up. CU means counting up and CD means counting down, and here I will give the address I 124.1. That's the second address. It's the problem. This is again and again. And here we will give for reset this one M0.0. M0.0. And here we will take one data register. For example, MW0 we will take, and in next line we will use the compare instruction in the comparator section. This first is equal. If I click here, compare integer for equal to, and here I will take this one equal command, and here we will give the address of which one this MW0 we use for increment, because of when we give the increment and decrement at this counter, after this value will be stored at MW0, and here we will write this one MW0 for our increment. Okay, and here we will give the any set point, which value, how much value after we like to be on of some. So this we will use QW0 an example, and here one output we will take for an example Q 124.0. This is my first output. So this also I will make it little small, after we can see this complete to visible. So almost our program is completed, and we will download to the PLC. As message came block loaded, think about your program is successfully downloaded, and after go to the monitor section, and here you can monitored your program. Now for an example, here is a 10 value set. If I give the signal at this I124.0, after increment will become at MW0. Already have a two increments ready. But when this increment completed, this which set point we gives to this compare instruction 10. We instruct this instruction when 10 value will be completed. 10 signals means when came it here MW0, after our output needs to be on. So also I connected my hardware with my PLC. I can show you, I will try to show you with the on off. After you can see this is PLC also. When I give the signal at I124.0, you can see this is increment is now 5. Also this is we will be monitor this one. This camera go to height. Can see I give more signal 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As 10 will be completed, your output will be on. That bulb why not on? Because of I not make it on my 24-volt supply for my main breaker. Now as per seen, this is our output is on, and here in the PLC also this is first address is our on. As per I will make little zoom so you can see this is the first input is now on. And if I give the decrement for example at I 124.1, after you can see this is value 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. And if I give again this value, little I will make more, here you can see. And again I give the signal at I124.0. You can see first signal is ready, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. As your value will be 10 completed, after your output will be on. And maybe this value is again coming, but if this is compare instruction will be work according to this value 10 value. When again one more signal I will be give, can see here is a 11 value, but our output is off. So this way we can choose this compare instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300 for any program which you like to be compares with the conveyors or whatever when signals came from the field, and you can use with the help of counter, and after you can compare and you can control your output. So hope guys you will be understand about this command compare instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.